Yo, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can pin a comment on TikTok. The process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just dive straight into it right now. So I'm going to go and open up the TikTok app right now. You'll be on your homepage. To get to your profile and to see all your comments on your videos, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right hand corner. That'll take you to your profile. Then you just want to select a video that you want to pin a comment. So I'll select this video right here. Now to pin a specific comment, just tap over here where you see the comment button. So I'm going to tap on that and you'll see all the different comments on the video. So what you need to do is you need to scroll through and then see which comment that you would like to pin. So if I see I want to pin this specific comment right over here, all you need to do is long press on the comment with your finger. So if you do that, a menu will pop up and then you'll see an option here that says pin comment. Just tap on pin comment and you can see that that says it's pinned, and you can see that little tag that says pinned next to the comment on the left. To unpin the comment, if you want to do that for any reason, just long press on it with your finger and then you'll notice the unpin comment button right there. Just tap on that and it will be removed. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.